In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AfterShip. By the end, you'll have a clean tracking foundation in place so your customers know exactly where their orders are and you spend less time answering "Where's my package?" messages. First, open your browser and search for AfterShip. On the results page, look for the official AfterShip site. It should clearly reference shipment tracking and post-purchase notifications. Click through to the home page so you're starting from the right place and not a sponsored lookalike. Once you're on the site, find the option to create an account. It's usually at the top right. Click to begin. You can either register with your basic business details or choose a single sign-on option to speed things up. Create secure login credentials, agree to the terms, and follow any quick prompts. You may be asked to verify your account before moving on. If so, complete that step, then sign back in to continue. Next, connect AfterShip to your online store. Depending on your e-commerce platform, you might need to open that platform's app marketplace and install the AfterShip plugin or the AfterShip order tracking app. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions so AfterShip can sync orders and pull tracking numbers automatically. If your platform isn't supported, don't worry. You can still add shipments one by one or save time by importing a spreadsheet in CSV or XLS format. After import, spot check a few entries to make sure carrier names and tracking numbers lined up correctly. With your store connected, head into settings to define your ship from locations. Add each warehouse, office, or fulfillment center you use. Give locations clear labels so they're easy to pick during order processing. While you're there, set default shipping rules. For example, choose which carriers or services you want to use by default, set cutoff times, and add any custom logic you rely on. Defaults keep your workflow consistent, while custom rules let you route special cases without manual edits every time. Finally, turn on automated delivery notifications. Enable email or SMS updates for key milestones like in transit, out for delivery, and failed attempt. Customize the content to match your brand voice and include helpful details such as tracking links and support instructions. It's a good idea to send yourself test messages to confirm timing and formatting and to make sure customers aren't getting too many notifications. That's it. Search and sign up, connect your store or import shipments, define where you ship from, set smart rules, and automate your notifications. Save your changes, run a quick test order, and you're ready to offer a clear, professional tracking experience from day one.